sis. Say hi. Sis. Wow, cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Hi, Sleeping. I'm gonna cry. Arty. Sa Sydney. Parang hotlock bang kayo na, boy? Oh.
Ingat and God bless sa inyong new journey sa life. So, we will open the hand. It will be another challenge for us. And yes, for sure.
That's in K-drama.
Kasi mag-enjoy ka.
Yeah.
Yan ang important.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Kasi ako kasi ready na ako. Dear Sam, exciting new chapter in Australia. My heart feels
Mag-iyak na yan. Alam mo, kahit kailan.
like, hindi man tayo nagkita.
Yeah.
Like, in other
Yeah.
Pero, to be honest,
Oh!
hindi kita gusto. To be honest.
Sis, pila ko yun yung i-post ko na.
Hindi, I mean, to be honest, hindi nakita everyday. Pero to be honest, I really miss you. Tayo good.
Oo.
Succeed ka sa Australia and ano man ang hopes and goals mo. Sana marating mo. And I know marating mo yun kasi ikaw si Sam.
Oh my God! Thank you so much, ganda, sis.
Masabi lagi na I appreciate na yung nakilala kita.
Sure.
Diba, naging friends tayo, more than co-workers, naging friends tayo, tapos naging close tayo, ganyan. Even outside of work, ting na concerned ka talaga lagi sa amin.
Yeah.
Ganon, I appreciate lang that you exist. Stop and, have a happy trip next year.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Oh, I'm gonna miss you guys. Bye, everyone. Ilang ba yun? Oh my gosh. Nakapasa na po kami sa exam. So, yeah. See you, Sydney.